Patrick Alford. We've been in business since 1983. We are the single most well-equipped locksmith company in the Reno, Sparks, and Tahoe area. We have the largest selection of car keys, remotes, fobs, lock sets, and access control hardware in the area. We are a family-run business. Since the beginning, we've always prided ourselves in customer service. What sets us apart? Check our reviews out online. We have 10 service vehicles out in the field, as well as a true brick and mortar establishment for you to stop in and visit us anytime.